Sunday, February 16th, 2025. Coming out of the boat launch here, Broad River, entering Elbert County. 58 degrees, the wind gusting at 17 or more. We've reached the high for today, I think, going down to about 29 tonight, so that wind's going to be blowing hard. The cold air in. We're getting video mostly with the Google Pixel 9 Plus Pro XL today, testing it out, seeing how it's going to do, trying to figure out how to edit with it, which I do not like yet. We were going to turn left there, but we've already missed the road that I was thinking about turning on. I think we'll go into Elberton, and then we will head out towards the old Georgia guidelines, guidestones, and then on over maybe to Hartwell, and then head back down. I'm not sure yet. We'll just see how it goes, how we go as we go. But right now I think we'll turn it off and wait and turn it back on when we get into or approaching, getting close to Elbert. Little tiny homes, I like a couple of that. I've got to find me a piece of land, and that's what another thing I'm looking for, a piece of land that I'd like to be able to subdivide for 2 lots and put a tiny home on it. Maybe 2 tiny homes, live in one, sell one, or live in one, rent one. And I am looking for northeast Georgia, or just across into South Carolina line. Number 1 preference is southeast along the coast. I guess number 2 would be northwest Georgia, up in the corner of around Chattanooga, up through there, which would also include northeast Alabama, southeast Tennessee, and southwest North Carolina. And then maybe over here, northeast Georgia, then southwest or southeast Alabama, southwest Georgia. So if you have a patch of land or know anybody that does, or have a real estate agent in the area, I've let my license lapse and I do not intend to get it back, so I need an agent to buy and list property with. An agent that will manage rental property maybe, because I do not intend to manage it myself. I have several ideas if I can pull it off. Okay, let's turn this one off until we get closer to... Well, you know, I say that. I hadn't figured out how to put these videos together yet on this, with this phone. It says to, you know, add the videos, but then I haven't been able to save them or make them work out right. So, I guess I could download them and then do them, or either put them in one of the other phones, in one of the Samsung phones where I can do it, or either in the computer. So this one could be a short one, or this one could get deleted if we can't combine it with the next one, because the next one will probably be longer in Elberton and then cutting across past the Georgia Guidestones. Let's go ahead, this one's about 4 minutes. Let's go ahead and turn this one off, and then we'll start another one back up. I wonder if we can stop it part way and then continue it. Let's see if we can do that. Okay, we can do that. We can pause the video. So we did that. We turned it back on. We're going to pause it again, and then probably not turn it back on. The thing is, it's going to be costing battery, but we'll turn it back on, maybe going into Elberton, which shouldn't be too far. Okay, we paused it. We should be coming into Elberton here now. I don't know if it's going to cut us off at 9 minutes like it did the other day or not, or 8 something, whatever it was. clips together and save them and upload them. I'm sure you can do it, I just don't know how. I don't know what resolution this is. I know it's at 16:9, but I don't know what the frames per second. I don't know whether it's 4K, 8K. I don't know. Haven't figured all that out yet on this phone. Don't know how it'll handle going into the sun like this. So today we'll be uploading from this Google Pixel 9 Plus Pro XL, if that's what it is, whatever it is. Google Pixel something. There's Athens is behind us. This is Georgia Highway 72. We're going to have to look for the roads to head over to Hartwell and cut across. I'm not sure if that's 17. I don't know what it is. Maybe, I bet it's 77. I bet this is right there. Okay, let's turn and go through town here, and then we do have video of this. We have bike video of this. We have did some walking around here on a Sunday here a while back. Look at the flags. Wind, most of the wind is really gusting up to, it said 17, but I think it's more than that. Somebody trying to push us through town, smoking a cigarette back there. Nasty old Ford truck. Fire trucks up here. Wonder what they're up here for. There's the courthouse. Seems like we ought to be getting a wider view than this. Something's not going the way we want it. I don't know. There we go. We haven't been getting the view we wanted. This video may not be good. Been zoomed in way too far. This is a learning process with this phone. Calhoun Falls, South Carolina, 17. I've been through there. I like that place. We could cross into South Carolina and look for a little property, but like I said, it's already, well, I'm showing 12 o'clock here. I thought I saw it was after 12 a minute ago. Whoa, hoss. Pause it again. Okay, it's showing 9:30 right now. I don't know, maybe I just didn't know what I was talking about the other day, or it did whatever. Gas $2.74. We need to get some gas before we pull out. It had gotten up over $3 back in Athens. We'll go up here to the Ingalls and see how much our gas is. Maybe walk in. We had a late